Forgot what we were. Good morning everybody and welcome to Seaworld Orlando. It's a beautiful day here, sun's shining and it's going to be really warm, which is lovely. So we're going to go around, check out all the big coasters, including the new surfing coaster. We are going to go to Sesame Street Land, check out all the shows, including the Orca show, maybe get a quick snack, I'm not really sure yet, see how it goes. But yeah, come on with us.
Manta? Are you going to ride Manta?
No.
It's just a big version of Galactica, isn't it, really?
You go on it then.
I'm too scared.
Oh, it's funny.
It's that first drop, look how high it is.
No.
Much too high. Don't know, maybe if I have a few beers to get a bit of Dutch courage.
So nice and quiet.
So a little tip with any theme park, when you go into the park, if you just go straight to the back part of the park, the furthest bit from the entrance, it's normally quietest because most people seem to congregate around the rides that are near the entrance. There's a little tip for you.
Yeah. Another tip as well is people generally tend to go in and go right. If you go in and go left, you'll generally find it's quieter.
Uh-oh. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Here she comes.
I was on the outside seat. It whips you around. It was really good.
Did you have to queue or not?
Feel G-forced. Yeah, I queued for maybe 3 or 4 minutes.
Yeah, that was
nothing,
I just did a complete walk.
much. It's silly really because people are buying quick queue tickets, which is like fast pass, right? And you just don't need to because you can just walk on. So if you come to SeaWorld, don't be tricked into buying a quick queue ticket like a fast pass because you definitely don't need one. Oh, it just made me cry. It was just amazing. Absolutely amazing. I really didn't expect the trainers to dive in with the dolphins. And I was just, I don't know, so emotionally overcome, I think.
It was
It's
good.
absolutely beautiful. It's so cute. I loved it.
That's a good one.
Shall we go buy some stingray food and feed the rays?
Okay.
Yeah, is that right? Oh, this is gross. even eat fish. Wow, one in Rome, I suppose, eh? Like that, yeah?
No, with the tail at the bottom, I think.
Oh, really?
That's it.
Oh.
Well, he knows.
He knows.
Really, doesn't he?
Come on then, Race. Oh my god, it feels so strange. It's like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like a big, it's like a grandmum, like a bo, no teeth. You know, like a grandmother.
Yeah, let's not feed them. I want it.
Right. Okay.
It's really, it's like
Watch what Mum's
they
doing.
gum you. Right, you ready? So you put the fish like this in between your fingers. And you put your hand down as low as you can without toppling in. Oh, it's so strange. It's so...
We're trying to get some ice water. Good. Up. Guys. Work. Good. Good job, man.
Thank you.
I was just around.
Oh, should we see the dolphin there, please?
Water. That's what you go for.
Did you go around the side?
No.
Perhaps I'm not swimming around this way.
This way for sharks. Oh, look at that one. So funny looking at their little eyes on the end, aren't they? Mako. I did front row to get a good POV video, but oh my god, terrified me. A little bit shaky now. Had to be done though. You won't want it, will you?
No way, I'm not stupid. Wasn't it last year? Oh, are they running because there's an Orca show on?
Maybe. What do you think about the Orca encounter then?
Oh, bloody love it. Absolutely
good, isn't it?
amazing. It's one of them,
have
you
to
love
go
it
see
or
it.
loathe it. We don't like the concept, but you're not going to come all the way to Florida and go to SeaWorld and not go and see the Orca show. It's absolutely breathtaking. It makes me cry every time. It's just wonderful, absolutely wonderful, just to see them, how beautiful them animals are, to see what they're capable of. Oh, it's just gorgeous, but sad at the same time.
I wish the trainer still went in the water.
Pardon?
I wish the trainer still went in the water.
Yeah, well,
It looked like it was more entertaining from the tourist point of view. Safety first. Sesame Street. Alice, you excited for Sesame Street?
I am.
You excited? Pardon?
I said we brought some cookies to feed the cookie monster.
Yeah.
Monster.
So I'll take this one. You're in water with it! You're in water with it! Put it in the water! I'm gonna. And then, can I do some recording? Alice, what are you doing? What are you doing? Wow! What are you doing
Let's get the numbers to win.
Is it?
I don't know, it's a bike game.
This is the brand new one.
Yeah, it's a lot bigger in real life.
High five.
First standing coaster, isn't it?
No, Orlando style. I think it looks good. You gonna give it a go?
Yeah, but why not?
Perhaps it was. It's just the type of ride that it is. It's like a giant surfboard, isn't it? So I've just ridden the new Pipeline surf coaster. It's brilliant. I really enjoyed it. I thought standing up might be a bit weird, but it's really good. And also when you go around the corners and over the hills, your feet come off the floor. So it's really good. I'd recommend it. The queue's awful though, because it's all outside. Becky don't fancy it. I think she's scared.
Scared of it.
Oh! 2 now. Gonna leave SeaWorld, get some lunch off site, because the food in here is disgusting and it's really, really expensive. We paid anywhere for a snack $16.99 for the worst.
Basically looked like a Happy Meal.
It wasn't even that, was it? It was like a microwave burger, just absolutely disgusting. So we're going to go off and get some dinner, early dinner, and then maybe come back, see how we feel afterwards.
It's just so hot here, isn't it?
Yeah, this park's not the greatest if you've got small kids. There's hardly anything for them to do. So.
No, it's not much fun to do. Plus, everything's so spaced apart, and there's next to no shade.
Yeah.
So it's not
On a hot day
physical.
like today, it's a nightmare.
It's not physical. It's just it's exhausting in a different way.
Yeah, I mean, look at Pipeline over there. There's not an ounce of shade anywhere. And most of the shops haven't got air conditioning, have they?
No, they've just got fans. So they're basically blowing around warm air.
Whereas when you're in Disney, you can escape the heat. You get in a shop and get in some air conditioning, but today it's just been all outside, so not the best on a hot day. But hey ho, I'd be moaning if it was raining. You had a nice day, Mummy Pig.
Yeah.
You're struggling with the heat a bit today, aren't you?
I'm so fair.
Because you're so fat.
Oh, fat, but fair. Fair-skinned, aren't I?
Oh well, we're both fat, don't worry about it. YOLO.
Hi again, everyone. So that rounds off our day today. We've had a really, really nice day here at Seaworld Orlando. It's extremely hot, so we're very tired. But nevertheless, it's been beautiful. Ben's been on loads of the rides. We've seen the Shamu show, we've seen the dolphin show. We didn't get to see the, what do you call it again? Sea lion show. We didn't get down to that. We've fed some stingrays, we've had some snacks. Yeah, it's been a really wonderful day. But now it's time to go.